Land is sparse, materials expensive, and labor more centralized. The construction industry has been forced to think outside the box, or inside of it in some cases. The sector is not only embracing sustainable living, but welcoming a swarm of robotic termites, revolutionizing the way in which we build. Is construction ready to be inspired by the world of insects? Industrial Revolutions takes a look.
YCube Housing, which is a demountable system, allows us to place units on land that we lease for short periods of time. It's low cost, which means it's low rent for our residents.
These sustainable housing units are the result of a partnership between the YMCA and architectural firm Rogers, Stirk Harbour and Partners.
These buildings take a week to build and they'll take an hour to install. They are made off-site, so all the money is spent on the materiality, not on management on site. These are super cost-effective buildings.
These human pods may revamp housing in megacities. They don't need foundations, so can be put in places previously deemed off-limits, unearthing new possibilities for inner-city living. But insects are not only influencing our habitats, they're also becoming the vanguards of how we build.
Our project is inspired by termites, where you can have lots of little individuals working together to form something so much larger than themselves.
The Termites project is the brainchild of Harvard University researchers.
We've created this system of robots that build things that we ask for. It's more like a picture of an ant colony, where you've got lots of independent agents all running around doing their own thing. You give essentially a blueprint to the computer. The computer marks that up with traffic laws, and then you give that annotated blueprint to all of the robots and send them off to the field.
So should human construction workers hang up their boots?
There are many settings where it's more efficient for humans to work, but there are also settings where it's unsafe for humans to work.
If we want to build underwater, if we want to build oil drilling platforms or marine research stations, or if we want to build in extraterrestrial environments.
It's clear that the future of the construction sector is in the hands of visionaries. Someday, swarms of robots could not only stack up sandbags to protect against flooding, but also build habitats for astronauts in space.
We're living science fiction. We're making science fiction.